Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith, and today I want to share the top 5 reasons I absolutely love living in Big Bear. If you have ever thought about moving to the mountains or owning a vacation home or even just visiting more often, these reasons might just convince you to stay for good. Big Bear isn't just where I work, it's where I live, where I raise my kids, and I get to experience the amazing lifestyle every day. So let's dive in. Reason number 1, the small town community. One of the things that I love most about Big Bear is the small town feel. We're a very tight-knit community where everyone looks out for each other. Whether it's a neighbor helping dig your car out after a snowstorm, the local coffee shop knowing your order before you even ask them, or people stepping up to support small businesses, there is a real sense of connection here. It is the kind of place where if you need something, you can count on your neighbors to help you. I have lived in bigger cities and I can tell you this is very rare. There is something special about knowing that people around you and feeling that you are part of something bigger than just a place to live. Reason number 2, real estate is always moving. Now, as a real estate agent, I love that Big Bear has such an active market. People are always looking for homes, whether it's full-time residents, secondary homeowners, or investors that are interested in vacation rental. There's always something happening in the real estate world up here, which keeps me busy and engaged. Unlike some markets that slow way down in certain seasons, Big Bear's real estate moves year-round. In the winter, people want cozy cabins near the slopes, and in the summer, they're looking for lakefront homes. And let's be honest, living in a place where people dream about buying homes, that's a pretty good position to be in. Reason number 3, a perfect place to raise your kids. If you have kids or plan on living in a small town like Big Bear, it is a total game changer. I can get to work within 5 to 10 minutes, which means I'm never far away from my family. My kids right now are at school, which is 2 minutes away from me. Running back and forth between work, school drop-offs, and activities is actually very manageable here. There is no sitting in traffic for an hour just to get to a soccer game. Everything is close by, and what's even better, my girls aren't spending their days glued to video games or sitting inside all day. Instead, they're on the ski team, getting outside, staying active, and learning skills that they'll have for life. I wish I had that. There's something really special about raising kids in an environment where nature is their playground. Whether it's skiing, hiking, biking, exploring the outdoors, they're always doing something active, and I love that. Reason number 4, the best of all worlds, location, location, location. One of the biggest perks of living in Big Bear is that we are not isolated. A lot of mountain towns are hard to get to, but here we have access to everything. Need a beach day? You can get to the ocean in just a couple hours. Want a desert adventure? Joshua Tree is just an hour drive away. If you have a flight to catch, you've got Ontario International Airport about an hour away. You can hop on a plane and be anywhere in no time. Living here gives you the perfect balance. You get the peace, the quiet of the mountains, but you're never too far away from a change of scenery. It's like having the best of all worlds right at your fingertips. Reason number 5, 4 seasons of fun. A lot of places in California are either hot all year or mild and sunny, but here we actually get all 4 seasons, and that makes life so much more exciting. In the wintertime, you get fresh snowfall, cozy nights by the fire, and world-class skiing and snowboarding right in your backyard. And we're about to experience that tonight. Spring brings wildflowers, crisp mountain air, and the perfect weather for hiking. Summertime, it's all about the lake, boating, fishing, paddleboarding, and all those perfect warm days. And fall, which is my favorite, the trees change colors and the air gets that cool, refreshing feel, and it's just a stunning environment to be around. Having true seasons makes life feel dynamic and fresh. Every few months, the landscape changes, and with it, new opportunities to enjoy the outdoors. So there you have it, 5 reasons I absolutely love living in Big Bear. If you are thinking about moving here, buying a vacation home, or just want to know what life is like in the mountains, I'd love to chat. Drop a comment below, send me a message, and of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any important updates on Big Bear real estate and the lifestyle tips that I have for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye.